What does a bridging loan cover? So the question was, does it cover the whole house purchase? Does it cover all of my refurb? Like, what does it actually encompass?
That's a great question. So it depends on the lender. So most bridging funds is private money. So it's maybe a collection of high net worth individuals that have pooled their money together, or it's a collection of investors that have invested in a particular company and then they lend the money out. So the reason I'm telling you that is that they basically can do what they want with the money. It's not like we're dealing with Lloyds Bank or we're dealing with a huge bank that have got kind of rules and regulations as to what you can and can't do.
Yeah.
So these basically, it's private money, they can do what they want. So typically they will lend you 70% of the purchase price, and then they'll lend you a percentage of the refurb. It varies from bridging lender to bridging lender. You know, some of them might lend you 25% of the refurb, others might lend you 75% of the refurb. So it all depends, and it changes. Depends how much money they've got available at the moment, depends how much they've lent out, what they've got coming in. It changes multiple times per year. So it's always worth checking and shopping around with various bridging lenders and seeing what the maximum you can